Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So welcome again, Daily Conversation Part 6. Hi everyone, I am your English learning friend. Here you will learn idioms, phrases, daily conversation and tips that native speakers use every day. So without further ado, let's get in. So the scene is two friends shopping for clothes. The A person says, "This jacket is cute, but it will cost me an arm and a leg." So the idiom used here is cost an arm and a leg. That means very expensive. The person B replied, "True, but it's totally your style." So the idiom used in this sentence is your style, which means matches your personality or look. The person A says, "Should I get it? I am trying to stick to a budget." So, stick to a budget means spend only what you planned. The person B replied, "Maybe wait for a sale. No need to break the bank today." So, the idiom used in this sentence is break the bank, which means spend too much money. The person A says, "You are right, let's shop around a bit more." Shop around means compare prices at different places. The person B replies, "Deal. Who knows what we will find." So, in this conversation, the idioms used are cost an arm and a leg, your style, stick to a budget, break the bank, shop around. Thank you. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment. Allah Hafiz.